Right here, outside Oslo Central Station, sits one of the city's most iconic residents, the bronze tiger. More than just a sculpture, it's a symbol. Back in 2000, to celebrate Oslo's 1000th anniversary, a local company donated this tiger made by artist Elena Engelsen. Today, the tiger stands tall, a reminder of Oslo's raw edge, but also of its creative spirit. It whispers, "This city may be fierce, but it's also alive."
Has been voted the world's best library. This is called Ambience. You better go inside and watch a performance, because it cost us 7% of a national budget to make it. This was a tax office building for the harbor. No significance at all. Unfortunately, for a very long time has been laying empty. Most of the windows you see, there's nothing behind it, all kinds of storage. As you can see, they're trying the scaffolding, they're trying to revive the building. Unfortunately, all the buildings in that age simply don't follow the very strict guidelines you have in Norway now. Does anyone know what these boxes are? Saunas, yes. Oslo Badsstueforening, which means that these are sort of association that a lot of us are part of.
Guys, a fact I just got to know is that Norway was under Denmark for over 600 years and under Sweden for another like 90 years, which is a lot. So he believed as such they've lost their identity. 600 years, 90 years, so they were colonized. They were colonized. So I'm very proud of Poland. They were never colonized. Okay, let's keep enjoying.
It was built in the 19th century during the rule of Sweden during that 19-year period. So we had 600 years of Danish, and then we had Swedes for 90 years. They handed over us to Sweden because of, the Napoleon War. Well,
it's very, very interesting. A lot of information. Norway is a very wonderful country. I'll tell you guys later. So stay tuned.
you also have to buy a statue of a little troll, because that's for good luck. Because if you leave Norway without buying a tiny little troll, which costs like €6, it's a bad luck. Night, go out around, if it's not too late for you, 10, 11 o'clock, walk around the city center and you see a bunch of very extroverted, happy people talking to you in the street, which never happens during the week. Nobody will even sit next to you in a bus, because we respect other people's personal space and we like our own respected.
I have a question.
Yes?
I have a question. Is it true that Norwegians let babies nap outside, even during winter?
That is a bit overblown. It does happen, but you will not see babies in the city of Oslo in front of the cafes where the mother is drinking wine. That's not going to happen. It might happen for those who have backyards or balconies, but I personally have not seen it as much. So I think that's a bit overblown. He's sitting because they wanted to present him also as a disabled man, because he was in a wheelchair. So it's a very nice touch to show him in a vulnerable yet people-loving manner.
Like for real, I've never seen, any Norwegian who doesn't speak English. I've actually never seen. Like everybody speaks good English, and more so like an American English. This is really good, It's easy to communicate, and the people are so lively, even though they try to respect your space, at times. But at night, they are always very, very lively. And I've experienced that. Yeah. In one of my interviews, you would actually notice that for yourself. So yeah, I'm happy, I can easily explore. The people are, welcoming, tolerating, everybody speaking English from every generation. So another thing Norway is kind of famous for is for the harsh winter. It can be very cold during winter and also very dark, It's a dark country, always, not always, but even during winters it can be very dark, and in some of my videos you would actually notice that, some are dark, I need to look for the right spot, to take the right picture or the right video. So yeah, and their own best friend, is the US, right? And the US favors them in everything, in everything. Yeah, come on. Maybe that's why they speak good English and American English at that. Yo guys, so after the walking tour, it was really nice and really nice. You'll be seeing a lot of some of the videos. And right now, I just want to get a souvenir. Here, I think I would take this for sure. This, I always, accumulate this. The last one that okay, not the last one, like the ones I've actually gathered so far, they fell and everything broke. So I need to start gathering again. But yeah, not the ones I already have, but I would take this from Norway. So I always like these bulbs, so I gathered them. Hi. Sorry, I can't see the prices for the baseball cap. And also I have this. Sorry? 189. How about the yes? 79, okay. That one for sure. Right now is pizzeria. It's an Italian restaurant, So like my guide said, he said the typical Norwegian food are kind of crap, right? They don't buy into it. They know that. So he said their favorite food, their favorite meal here, is actually not Norwegian food. So it is the Mexican tacos. Mexican tacos. That is the favorite, most popular meal here, right? And after then, the pizza, Italian pizza, and the Italian pastas, right? So right now I want to try the Italian pasta, and I will be visiting here. Yeah, so here is the restaurant. So I'll just be going in and grabbing some pizza. So, hello. Thank you. You sell pizza here, right? Pizza.
We don't have the same.
Where can I get that? Where's the pizzeria and pizza? So here's just the drink?
No, here is pasta.
Pasta. Oh, I had pasta yesterday, but I want to try something different. Awesome, thank you. How you doing? Good. So I would like to get on the boat. So this is okay, right?
Yeah.
I can use this?
Yeah.
Awesome, thank you very much. Okay, guys. So right now I'm going into the boat. Yeah. Ooh, wish me well. So I think I would need to get like somewhere with a very nice view. And if possible, I'll just go upstairs. So let's see. There we go. Up. I think I'm gonna love it here. Up. So at some point, I would have to go outside. Norway is very expensive. Very expensive. So spending 3 to 4 days here, I might be a little bit drained. But yeah, this is what I really want to do. I really need to get out from all of my troubles, all of my worries. So I needed a new adventure, so I had to do this. And of course to show you guys around. So yeah, this looks really beautiful, really beautiful. And I've actually learned, a lot about Norway. This is my third time of being in Norway, but this time I think I've learned way more. And it's very fascinating, They pay a lot of taxes, and then they have a lot of benefit as well. A lot of benefit, like the one I spoke about, the free studies, for Europeans and their citizens. I think the best way to actually come to Norway is for work, because they need a lot of people in trades, right? They need a lot of people, and they lack people in that field, so they need a lot of people. So if you're a skilled worker, and you're very sure of yourself, then you can try it. It's worth trying. I'm happy to be here. I have no worries right now. No worries. It's so beautiful. Look at the city. So where are you from?
I'm from India.
From
Mumbai.
India. Nice.
Yeah.
So for how long have you been in Norway?
I'm living here since more than 5 years now.
5 years?
Yeah.
Oh, so what do you do here?
I work for MasterCard. I'm
MasterCard, aha, nice.
I'm living here with my family.
Nice.
It's an amazing place to live with family.
Mm-hmm.
Safe.
Mm.
It's a bit expensive.
Yes, I can tell.
But I would say you get value for your money.
For your money, right?
People are really good.
Really
People are
good.
helpful.
Yes.
People answers your question really well. They give you information if you are new.
What was the greatest shock for you?
I would say is
Yeah, a lot of foreigners. And it's a very touristic area, but a lot of people are directing me to the north, right? Places like Tromsø, like Bodo, which I would eventually love to do someday, but not on the street, because I'd like to do a lot right here in Oslo, so yeah.
Welcome to the Oslo City Hall.
Me, myself, my family, extended nuclear, find peace, always. And for my viewers, of course,